going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the new World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you, keep it coming. And right now, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. But first, I just want to let you know that in the month of April, my videos are going to be sporadic because right now I'm working on my taxes, plus I'm working on a whole lot of other projects that I want to get finished. So the month of April will be sporadic, but I'm definitely going to bring you videos because I know you definitely need it. Now, when it comes to my second videos, I have been taking a little break for the last few days. The reason why is that the videos that I would have done would have got flagged anyway. So what I'm going to do is start just putting those videos inside of Patreon because there's a lot going on that people don't see, but I still want to bring you those type of videos. But getting over into actual cryptos, guys, we have more crypto news coming out. Goldman Sachs, I'm going to get into that later. Early this morning, we had Bitcoin flash crash about 2005 minutes. And then, of course, it slowly moved back up. But it was about $600 million of loans get liquidated. And guys, make sure you're paying attention to your actual indicators. Volume. Right now, volume is definitely steady. Tether is still sitting at that 40 billion. We've been sitting at it for a few days. We know when we're making a big move, Tether and USDC are making big moves. So we'll see us move up 1 billion every 2 to 3 days. So please make sure you keep your eyes on Tether and USDC. The Fed facilities closed today. We know the repos. We know they have 50 billion per day to manipulate the yields. That's $1.5 trillion per month, guys. And getting over into the actual manipulation. We know we have CME gaps, but also, guys, we had Grayscale purchase over $3 billion in cryptos over this past weekend. So at the time when futures were expiring, where we should have went down, we had Grayscale purchase over $3 billion, which kept us up where we at. And then plus, don't forget, they have the Bitcoin Trust locked. So that's squeezing it more. We know in June that ends. Plus, guys, make sure you're looking at the assets they're actually buying because they're going to move. Look at the amount of money they're putting in it. They're going to move that crypto. We had Filecoin move big time, and we see how much money that Grayscale put into Filecoin. So, guys, we have to pay attention to Grayscale. They're definitely manipulating the markets. I went over it several times. Now, getting over into the actual news, guys, we have Goldman Sachs ready to bring in their big money clients. Now, do big money clients buy at the high? No, they don't. So, guys, we know what? Either we're going to be making a big move up or a big move down. We know Goldman Sachs is not your friend. They're come to take your money. We know this for a fact, guys. We've seen Goldman Sachs plenty of times. We know what they do. But we also know they're trying to sell us on this fourth industrial revolution. Get rid of this old legacy system in order to bring in tokenization. But keep focused on the indicators. It's going to let us know because we know how they're pumping the market. So we'll know whether we're going to be making big moves up. And we'll know right now whether we're going to make a big move up now. Because right now, if we sit at this 58, 59,000, we know they need Bitcoin as collateral. We know we can make a big move up, 68 to 73,000. We know that is definitely possible. But the indicators are going to let us know. Now, we had Mike Novogratz says Bitcoin is going to hit gold's market cap. But guys, they haven't pegged anything. Bitcoin is just speculation. Until we see a peg into gold or peg into any type of asset, that's not going to happen. And I'm going to go over more of that in this video because it's definitely a big distraction right now. Because we know how big the digital yuan is going to be. We know the digital yuan is going to be attached to gold. And we know that China has a plan for Bitcoin. What that is, we don't know. We definitely have to let it play out. But we definitely see everything starting to come together and make sense. Now we have Christina Lagarde says the Euro CBDC could be 4 years away. And guys, why do they keep saying they're pushing back CBDCs in Europe and the United States? I brought it to you guys. It's illegal. They want to get the people using it. So they say, hey, look, people are using it. They want it. And then they go to Congress. Then they go to the parliament and say, hey, look, these people want it. Please bring it to them. Same way they did Uber and Lyft. Cab people didn't want it. Said, no, that's going to get rid of the cabs. What happened? No, the people are using this. They want it. So that's all they're doing is creating the demand. So therefore, they can get you the supply. Now, we have Coinbase as former SEC Director Brett Redfearn ahead of the public listing. And we know the illegal activity that Coinbase has done. And yes, the CFTC bought us a little, but we know it's a whole lot more. So they put these people in position to make sure if anything comes up, they can fight. The same way Ripple already had people from the SEC on staff. That's why I tell you, it's all a movie. Now we have Kava launches Hard V2 to become first full lending protocol in the Cosmos ecosystem. And we know what? DeFi is definitely the new banking. Now we have Engine builds a new NFT blockchain for Polkadot. And guys, that's all we keep hearing about is NFTs because we know what? The washing of money. We saw it on Saturday Night Live. Now we have the Australians can now exchange solar energy credits for beer with blockchain. So guys, we know tokenization, blockchain is definitely here. It's not coming, it's here. We have Crypto Derivatives Exchange. Deribit launches index for implied Bitcoin volatility. So all the tools that we see in the legacy market is just going to be moved over to the blockchain and crypto space. Now we have Swiss startup launches tokenized grain trading pilot. They will be able to trade and speculate grain using an actual token. Also, we have Back launches consumer wallet app for digital assets. So that's Bitcoin, gift cards. We know fintech is going to be the thing. They want you to use your phone to make payments instead of using cash. That's what this push for adoption. You're going to start seeing no transaction fees. So we see Back. We know that PayPal is right now doing no transaction fees. So they're definitely trying to push this adoption. Now we have China's blockchain project BSN to integrate R3 Corda. And I can't say it enough. I've been over it time and time again. This push for the emerging markets, China, Society 5.0, Japan, India, they are leading us into the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have BIS Chief Augustine says that China digital yuan could overtake the US dollar is overblown. Now we know for a fact that the digital yuan is going to overtake the US dollar. The only reason why the US dollar was this powerful, as we know, it was the New World Order's goal was to take over the globe. Now that they have destroyed the US dollar, now they're going to move us over into the actual digital world. We know with these cryptocurrencies, it's going to take away inflation. That's the reason why it's called a stable coin, because your money is going to be stable. So you give a choice. You can use this paper currency that, yeah, it says $1, but it's worth 40 cents. Or you can take this digital dollar that says $1 and it's $1. This was planned out a long time ago. The rise of China and the end to America to Babylon. I do these videos so therefore you can educate your friends and family. Spread the video because the power is in the people for a short period of time. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, I just uploaded a video. Please go check that out. Of course, you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home. You have the at-home stocks, the C word, they keep pumping and dumping, while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.